Hey YouTube, Marko here with Marko's Garage. Today I'm coming to you with my Pontiac hardtop, and it's been a while since this happened and I haven't really put out a lot of videos. It's kind of bummed me out, but anyway, after I picked up the Hudson about a week or so later, I got rear-ended. And yeah, it's a lot of damage, and I'm just dealing with insurance and stuff, and right now I'm just going to take the car over to the body shop. He's ready to take it in and find out exactly what it's going to cost. So just to give you an idea of the damage, I mean, the trunk lid took the most of it. See, the trunk lid's done. It's got to be replaced. This side here, I think the trunk lid bumped up against the spare, and it didn't do very much damage. This is all okay. But all in here on the sort of the lower valence pan there, it's punched. The taillight was broken. I had another lens, and the whole quarter panel got crumpled. And I feel pretty bad about this because here I'm the guy who picks up the car that's been sitting 36 years, and then it's like it had a good life and I killed it. But I didn't kill it because it's going to get fixed. And so yeah, we're gonna get this done, and I'll make videos at the body shop, whatever, what's happening in the progress. And I got floors for my post Pontiac, so we'll put that video up and we'll talk about that. This is just a little sort of an update over what happened, and it's gonna go to the body shop and find out what kind of money it's gonna be to fix, and see if we can get this resolved, because yeah, I really love the car, so I want to get it done. And yeah, so sorry I haven't been posting a lot lately. This has kind of bummed me out, and we're getting right back on it and getting back into it. So I realized that sometimes with something bad that happens, something good will come out of it, and we'll make the best of it. So thanks for all your support, and if you like, please subscribe and ring that bell for notifications, and have a great day.